Hello and welcome in this little video where I'm speaking about this learning project, this data science learning project, and it's actually a GLM. So GLM is a generalized linear model, and in there we are doing a learning experiment. It's a regression basically. So in this regression we are fitting our sample CSV file. And so I will quickly show you these sample files. And then, so in our Python file, this one is very small, very quick, it's just a regression, so it's nothing complicated. If you are a little bit familiar with this, of course, we load the data and we use Python for this and pandas. So we read the CSV, then we do return the object. And from there in main, we are loading the CSV, we are processing the data, and we are quickly fitting the GLM, and then we print the summary, and that's pretty much it. And then we have the results from there. And you can see we don't need much for doing a GLM, a regression, and it's very straightforward. And we also use matplotlib for showing the results here. Matplotlib is a really nice library, and then that's all. Like, let me know in comments for you what you are doing, what you are building. I will be super interested if you are doing a linear regression or if you are doing another kind of regression. I would be super happy to hear from you. I have done some other projects as well, and I can quickly show it to you. That's the other one, and that one is a little bit more complex, so I believe it's a nice one to show you. Yes, so it's very similar to the previous one. However, if I will show it to you on the Python script, you see the Python script, the GLM pipeline is a little bit more complex. So we load the data like previously, but the difference is that we use joblib here to load our model, and we use sharp as well. And then we do use report lab as well for the PDF. So there we are building our PDF, the generate PDF report. And finally here we are again opening the report. We have a classification report, a txt file that will be created, and it will write the report. And then we are dumping our model there with joblib. Joblib is also a really nice library. And here we just do the design, and we make our PDF looking good in that function. I will publish everything on GitHub, so don't worry, the GitHub will be this one, github.com/ph-7/GLM with Scotland. And yeah, that's pretty much all. So when you are doing a logistic regression, it's very important to know what you need to build, and then to build this in your Python script. Like for a logistic regression, for a linear regression, for anything that is a generalized linear model, you will first think, okay, what I need to do, what I need to build, and then you can write your Python script. And you need to understand very well your model to build something robust, because otherwise, if you don't really know what data you have to process, well, it's a bit hard to know what best ideal libraries you will need.